We are here at Rancho Cacachilas, near the city of La Paz, at the southern tip of the Baja Peninsula in Mexico. Rancho Cacachilas is a land restoration and ecotourism project. My name is Flo Cacachilas, and I am in charge of the erosion control and watershed program for the ranch. We focus on three aspects. One, our road system. We have a vast network of roads across our 14,000 hectare ranch. And we strive to minimize the soil loss that can happen during this rainy season, as you can see behind me. We also implement gabions across our road network to convert our road system into a water retention network instead of a cause of accelerated runoff. The second aspect of the program is watershed management and water retention structures. We build structures from small branch bundles to rock gabions, all the way to large rock and cement dams, with the goal of slowing down, retaining, and infiltrating water in the canyons and arroyos of the ranch. The vision is to regenerate our watershed and increase the quantity of water that infiltrates underground. The intended benefits are multiple. Firstly, to care for our local fauna and flora. Secondly, to improve the recharge of our springs and wells. And thirdly, to help the groundwater recharge of the larger aquifers and geological faults under our ranch and in the valleys downstream from our ranch. The third aspect of the program is land restoration. Where land has been degraded by decades of overgrazing by goats and cattle, we work at reverting the effect of desertification and erosion by building impoundment structures, not only on the main water channels, but also on the lateral slopes where gullies have formed. We use on-site material when possible, rock or branches, to form small gabions or bundles in each gully. That way, we create a sort of gabion stairway to retain the maximum soil and humidity within the gullies and slopes. And finally, this work benefits the larger region by creating a more forested mountain range, which means more evapotranspiration that attracts more cloud and rain, a virtuous cycle that we nurture over the long term.